Join me as I explore the wild idea of whether humans could actually survive on Venus. I'll break down the challenges and see if we could ever call it home. Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet, and for good reason. Both planets are similar in size and mass, and they even have similar compositions. But that's where the similarities end. While Earth is a thriving hub of life, Venus is a scorching hot planet that's often referred to as a hellscape. So, could humans actually survive on this hostile world? The conditions on Venus are brutal. The atmosphere is thick and toxic, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, which creates a strong greenhouse effect that traps heat. The result is surface temperatures that reach as high as 462 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. To make matters worse, the atmosphere is also dense with sulfuric acid clouds that would be corrosive to most spacecraft, let alone human skin. The pressure on Venus is also extreme, reaching levels that are 92 times that of Earth's. This would crush most spacecraft, and even if humans could somehow withstand the heat, they'd be squished like bugs under the pressure. And then there's the wind, which can reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, making it one of the most extreme environments in the solar system. So how do we even begin to think about surviving on a planet that's so hostile to human life? It's a daunting task, but scientists have been studying Venus for decades, trying to understand its geology, atmosphere, and potential for life. One of the most significant discoveries in recent years is that Venus has a surface that's relatively young, with few craters or signs of geological activity. This suggests that the planet may have experienced a catastrophic event in the past that resurfaced the entire planet. Scientists have also been studying Venus's atmosphere, trying to understand how it got so hostile. One theory is that the planet experienced a runaway greenhouse effect in the past, which caused the atmosphere to heat up and become toxic. This has led to some interesting discoveries, such as the presence of volcanic activity and lightning storms that are similar to those on Earth. In recent years, there's been a surge of interest in exploring Venus, with several space agencies and private companies planning missions to the planet. One of the most exciting developments is the discovery of phosphine in Venus's atmosphere, a gas that's produced by living organisms. This has led to speculation that there could be microbial life on Venus, which would be a major breakthrough in the search for extraterrestrial life. One of the most promising areas of research is the idea that life could exist in the upper layers of Venus's atmosphere, where the temperature and pressure are more similar to those on Earth. This has led to proposals for aerial cities or floating habitats that could allow humans to live and work on Venus without having to touch down on the surface. But even if we could develop the technology to survive on Venus, there's still the question of whether it's worth it. Would the benefits of colonizing Venus outweigh the risks and challenges? That's a question that scientists and policymakers will have to answer in the coming years. So, could humans survive on Venus? The answer is still a resounding maybe. While the challenges are significant, the possibilities are also enormous. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find a way to call Venus home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on the feasibility of human life on Venus in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more about space and astronomy, be sure to check out my other videos.